We must finish this section by noon. Move the crew to the next row now.
Understood. We will start there immediately.
Check this one, it sounds good. Yes, perfect. Add it to the pile.
Cuidado con ese grande. Pásalo por aquí, rápido. Ya casi terminamos la fila. Gently now, center it in the crate.
Okay, steady.
Perfect alignment, well done.
All right, everyone, let's get this loaded. Forklift 1, you're up first. Copy that. Moving the crates now.
Right here, easy now. Make sure it's snug against the wall. Bring it back just a little. Okay, set it down.
Perfect, that's secure.
All 50 crates accounted for. Heading to the main factory.
Looks good. Straps are tight. We are clear for departure.
Looks like the big one is here. All right, bring the crates over here to staging area 3.
All right, driver, pull forward slowly. Everything is in order. Welcome to the facility. Documents checked and verified. Please proceed to loading bay 3.
Understood. Thank you.
Okay, doors are open. Get those first pallets moving to the line. Let's maintain the pace, people.
Hold it there, watch the clearance. All right, bring it back and set it down gently. We need to increase the pressure on the lower jets.
Okay, adjusting the settings now.
Keep an eye on the flow rate.
Confirming the parameters for the current run.
Looks good from here. The containers are filling smoothly.
We have a spike in the flow rate here.
I see it. Adjusting the intake valve.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's holding steady. The new automate system is working well.
Temperature holding steady at 4 degrees.
Pressure gauge is also within limits. System looks good.
The watermelon juice enters a rapid cooling system to achieve the ideal processing temperature. Advanced cooling technology lowers the temperature quickly while preserving flavor. The watermelon juice enters a rapid cooling system to achieve the ideal processing temperature. Advanced cooling technology lowers the temperature quickly while preserving flavor.
The formula is almost complete.
We'll run the quality control tests now before packaging.
Check the flow rate on tank 3. Looks good from here. We're ready for the bottle line.
All parameters are within specification. Excellent. The batch is approved.
What's causing the amber alert on the sterilization cycle?
It's within tolerance, just keep an eye on the flow rate.
Verify the loading pattern for the watermelon juice. Confirmed. The stacking is perfectly stable.
All right, route looks clear. All 20 pallets secured. Sign here, and you're good to go.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Wow, look at this new watermelon juice. The kids will love this. Let's get a few bottles.
From the farm to the factory, straight to you, the refreshing taste of pure quality. Experience the vibrant flavor of our new watermelon juice. Every delivery represents the final stage of the production journey. Fresh watermelon juice is on its way to customers.